Hold on to your hair hats, BBLs, and shrinking nutsack folks. Whether you a dusty dude trying to be the coldest bachelor or a insta-thought pocket trying to stunt on other hoes with a come-up, the real estate market is on the brink of an unprecedented transformation. Heard. The real estate market is projected to reach a staggering $400 trillion by 2025. On God. This astronomical figure is driven by a combination of factors including urbanization, technological advancements, and increased investment in infrastructure. So stop playing with me and listen. That's trillion with a T, you fool. Such a massive market size opens up a plethora of opportunities for investors, developers, and homebuyers alike. Even full-on lames out here can make it. This incredible growth presents both opportunities and challenges for aspiring homeowners. On one hand, there are more properties and investment options than ever before. On the other hand, navigating this booming market requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. Despite rising interest rates and inflation, the demand for housing continues to climb. This is partly due to the growing population and the increasing desire for homeownership among younger generations. This makes 2025 an exciting time to dive into the world of real estate. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or a seasoned investor, the market is ripe with potential. It's a seller's market out there, but don't despair. With the right approach, you can still find great deals and make smart investments. With the right strategies and a little bit of grit, you can achieve your home ownership dreams. Remember, knowledge is power. Educate yourself on market trends, financing options, and negotiation tactics to stay ahead of the game. Understanding the forces shaping the market is crucial for making informed decisions. Keep an eye on economic indicators, government policies, and technological innovations that could impact the real estate landscape. Let's delve deeper into the current real estate landscape and explore what 2025 might hold for savvy investors like you. From emerging markets to sustainable building practices, the future of real estate is brimming with possibilities. Let's face it, the real estate market can feel like a roller coaster. Prices are going up, and so are interest rates. This makes it tougher for first-time buyers to get their foot in the door. But don't let that discourage you. Remember, every challenge presents an opportunity. By understanding the factors driving these changes, you can make smart choices. Look for affordable areas with growth potential. Consider alternative financing options. Think outside the box and be persistent. Don't give up on your dream of homeownership. It's still within reach. Predicting the future is tricky business, especially in real estate. However, by looking at key indicators, we can make educated guesses about 2025. Economic growth, demographic shifts, and government policies all play a role. A strong economy usually boosts the housing market. More jobs mean more people looking for homes. Demographic trends, like millennials reaching peak home buying age, also impact demand. Keep an eye on government initiatives aimed at increasing affordability. Ready to conquer the 2025 housing market? Here are some winning strategies. Start saving early. A solid down payment will give you an edge. Boost your credit score. A higher score means better loan terms. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you're serious. Work with a seasoned real estate agent. Their expertise is invaluable. Be patient and persistent. Don't settle for a property that doesn't feel right. Remember, buying a home is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your goals, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Section 5. Location, location, location. The enduring mantra. You've heard it a million times, and for good reason. The importance of location in real estate cannot be overstated. It's the foundation upon which all other factors rest. Whether you're buying your first home or investing in property, the location will significantly impact your lifestyle and financial future. Location is paramount in real estate. Think long-term. A good location can enhance your quality of life, offering convenience, safety, and a sense of community. It's not just about where you live, but how you live. Consider factors like neighborhood safety and amenities. Parks, schools, and shopping really matter. These elements contribute to the overall desirability of an area. A neighborhood with good schools and parks is not only great for families, but also tends to hold its value better over time. Proximity to your workplace is important too, as commuting can eat into your time and budget. A shorter commute means more time for family, hobbies, and relaxation. Access to public transportation can also be a game changer, offering flexibility and reducing the need for a car. Also, think about future development plans. Is the area on the upswing? New developments can bring more amenities and increase property values, but they can also mean more traffic and noise. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons. And don't forget property taxes and insurance costs, because these can vary significantly. High property taxes can add a substantial amount to your monthly expenses, while insurance costs can fluctuate based on the area's risk factors, such as flood zones or crime rates. Choosing the right location is an investment in your future happiness and financial well-being. It's about finding a place where you can thrive, both personally and financially. So, take your time, do your research, and make a choice that will benefit you for years to come. Section 6. The power of preparation. Your financial arsenal. Buying a home is a major financial decision. It's not just about finding the perfect house. It's about ensuring you're financially ready to make that house your home. This involves a lot of preparation and planning. Being prepared is crucial. Here's your financial checklist. First, assess your current financial situation. Understand your income, expenses, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of what you can afford. Save for a down payment and closing costs. These can add up. Typically, you'll need at least 20% of the home's price for a down payment to avoid private mortgage insurance. Closing costs can range from 2% to 5% of the loan amount. Get your credit score in tip-top shape. A higher score means lower interest rates. Check your credit report for errors and work on paying down any outstanding debts. A good credit score can save you thousands over the life of your mortgage. Create a realistic budget. Don't overextend yourself. Factor in all your monthly expenses, including utilities, groceries, and transportation. Make sure you have a buffer for unexpected costs. Shop around for the best mortgage rates. Comparison shop to save money. Different lenders offer different rates and terms, so it's worth taking the time to find the best deal. Consider both fixed and adjustable rate mortgages. Factor in hidden costs. Inspections, appraisals, and moving expenses add up. A thorough home inspection can save you from costly repairs down the line. Appraisals ensure you're not overpaying for your new home. And don't forget the cost of moving itself. By being financially prepared, you'll be in a strong position to make a competitive offer when you find your dream home. Preparation not only gives you confidence, but also makes the entire home buying process smoother and less stressful. So, arm yourself with knowledge and a solid financial plan, and you'll be ready to take this exciting step towards home ownership. Section 7. 2025, a year for informed and strategic homebuyers. The real estate market in 2025 promises to be dynamic and potentially challenging. But remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed about market trends, understanding your financial capacity, and working with experienced professionals, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Be prepared, be strategic, and never be afraid to ask questions. Section 8. Share your real estate insights. What are your thoughts on the 2025 housing market? Share your predictions, concerns, and tips for success in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation and learn from each other's experiences. Section 9. Explore more financial wisdom. Want to delve deeper into the world of personal finance and real estate? Check out our other articles and resources for valuable insights and expert advice.